Hey everyone, so I thought I would take the time to walk you guys through getting the fixtures, the slide fixtures set up, and how they work and how to properly install them. Let's start with the setup first. Okay, so you're gonna have two C-clamps fixtures. Doesn't really matter which way they go on the table. I prefer to put them on with the 2A symbol lining up properly, but it's your call. You're gonna have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Yes, 7 bags that come with it. So let's jump right in. I use a T-tool to secure the bolts. We're gonna start with the small screws. So you'll have 3 bags with 3 screw sets in it. You'll have two long ones which go in the back. You'll have 4 medium-sized ones which will go in the front top of the fixture. And you will have, I think 6 small screws, like that. So we're gonna grab the 6 small screws. And we're gonna grab the large spacer blocks. The spacer blocks are gonna go just like that. You're gonna drop a screw through. Make sure it's secured. Do the other one, same thing. Make sure it's secured. So it will go like that basically. Okay. And then we're gonna do the arm bar, which is that little arm bar. It's for the stopper. So we'll grab that. We're gonna put it on the fixture that is gonna go on the left side of the table. I secure it in the front, however it can be secured in the back middle hole or the back hole, just depending on what you're trying to do and what slide you're doing. You're going to turn it at a 45-degree angle, just about there. And again, we're using a small screw for that, so it will go like that basically. And then we're going to grab the little pivot. It's a black pivot. And we're going to install the pivot with the non-threaded end facing towards the slide. And we're going to screw it into the top part of the arm bar. Now once that's in there a bit, I'll grab the little nut that came with it. And I will thread the nut onto the part of the pivot that's still sticking out to lock it into place. So it'll be just like that. Okay. Now basically, since those are set up, you're going to install them on the table. So let's imagine this is the table. You're going to want to install the T-nuts and make sure those are installed on the table. You'll grab the long screws and put those in the back and thread them into the T-nuts on the table. And then you'll grab your slide and set up for the first operation, which is going to be pointing to the left or pointing to the right of the machine. And make sure that the slide is bottomed out against the arm bar in the bottom left-hand corner. And I usually give myself about 1 inch to 2 inches of overhang on the right-hand side of the slide. Once the slide is installed or set on the fixture, you'll grab the spacers these are just the black spacers. You will put those on there on the top. Now, just before I get into this, the spacers are meant to take the brunt of the force. So they're going to take the force from the medium-sized screws going into the top, and you could have the end mill collide into the edge a few times. Don't worry, that's what they're made for. So, you know, if they get scratched up or they need to be replaced, that's going to happen, okay? So you grab the 4 medium screws and you will thread these in through the top. Oops. Now I usually do 1 on each fixture to start with and make sure that the slide is backed up all the way to the back, otherwise it could become a little bit unleveled. So this will just secure it in place to start. And I'll tighten both of them down on each side. Then I'll install the other ones. And there you have it. Oh, and also I forgot, but you're going to install 2 of the small screws in the bottom front of the fixture, which is right there. Don't forget to do that. Also, I just did this myself, but make sure that the fixture has a stable plate to sit on. See how there's the opening in the slide right there, so it's a little angled. Make sure it's secured on and fully flat on the bottom. So I need to loosen this up. Just like that. And there we have it. And then that's ready to run. All right, thank you very much. Let me know if you have any questions.